Hello, welcome back to my channel. Following my last video on the development of Shibuya, I want to share with you 3 more new building complexes in Tokyo city center. These new complexes share similar goals. They are trying to create an emerging prototype for building design and revolutionize our perspective on commercial districts in Tokyo. These are not traditional department store or shopping center, but a place to catalyze social connection and urban regeneration. The developer and designer made efforts on making the retail complex that stand out, but respectfully weaving the original city fabric, enhancing the interaction to the neighborhood. So let's find out how they can achieve it. After my introduction of these new architecture, I hope you will put it into your itinerary of the next visit to Tokyo. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe in order to support my channel and make more videos like this. So let's begin. Forestgate Daikanyama locates next to the Daikanyama station. As you exit the station, the iconic structure is immediately visible from a distance. A narrow lane from the station guides visitors towards the complex. In coincidence, this project shares the same developer and architects as Shibuya Scramble Square. It was developed by the Tokyo Land Corporation and designed by Kengo Kuma. What immediately catches your eye is the distinctive vertical timber facade, composed of Lego-like wooden boxes that stacking the building from bottom to the top. While the whole Daikanyama district features low-rise residential blocks that irregularly scattered around, these boxes-like structure blends really well into the surrounding streetscape. The complex houses retail and restaurants on the first 2 floors, with residential units above. The central atrium is the main core of the building. Imagine different commercial activities there. And you can see tables and chairs from the restaurant spilling out from the storefront, bringing life to every part of the building. The greenery plays a crucial role here too. You can carefully find curated plants in every corner, from portable pots to fixed planters, creating a true urban forest that connects seamlessly with Daikanyama's tree-lined streets. Tokyu Plaza HARAKADO, also developed by Tokyo Land Corporation. The building marks the corner at the intersection of Omotesando and Meiji-dori. Together with the original Tokyo Plaza Omotesando across the street, it creates an iconic gateway to the district. Unlike Forestgate Daikanyama, the mirror-clad facade making a bold architectural statement among other distinctive buildings along Omotesando, capturing the lively character of the Harajuku district very well. The flexible retail display in the interior also reflects the youthful energy of the neighborhood. Following other new developments in Tokyo, it got a rooftop greenery space so that people can dine, relax, and enjoy the spectacular views of the busy road junction of Harajuku district. Let's explore our final destination, Azabudai Hills. It was just opened in November 2023 and took over 30 years to realize. With this interesting Y-shaped site, the development divides into 4 shopping zones with 2 residential towers and 1 office building. The office building Mori JP Tower is the tallest building in Tokyo, with 330 meters tall at the same height of Tokyo Tower. There's an observation deck on the top floor that can view the Tokyo skylines clearly. The shopping area features restaurants, luxury boutiques, and department stores. The signature Arabica coffee shop has opened the first Japan's branch here also. And there is a permanent TeamLab digital art museum on the basement level. The podium of this complex was designed by the British practice Heathrow Studio. It was known for the vessel and Little Island in New York, Pacific Place renovation in Hong Kong, and the most recent completed project in Asia was 1000 Trees in Shanghai. This is the first time this British architectural practice has created such a masterpiece on Japanese soil. Once I've arrived at the site, I was amused by its unique waffle roof. The pergola-like grid system creates an undulating, mountain-like surfaces that wrap across the whole site, deeply embedding itself into the urban landscape. You are not walking along a typical shopping mall, but you can feel different spatial experience on different zones. Sometimes you are within an original arcade with shops on both sides. Then all of a sudden, you are transited to open air, with different jewel boxes of luxury boutique scattering around. And when you go deep down into the basement level, the double-height spatial market hall appeared suddenly. There's also a distinctive cross-shaped column serving a crucial structural purpose on supporting the complex pergola structure. Curved corners makes the interior feels flowy, and bronze metallic finishes create a warm, inviting atmosphere. More importantly, greenery is prevalent throughout Azabudai Hills. Plants and trees create a park-like atmosphere. Greenery is integrated into the architecture in various forms, from hidden gardens to sunken courtyards, offering a refreshing contrast to Tokyo urban density. Also, the cloud, a canopy with a flowing pattern, stands as an iconic symbol of the central green, functioning as an event space. These three projects showcase how recent retail developments in Tokyo can both stand out and belong to their neighborhoods. They are pioneers in addressing the lack of accessible green space in Tokyo city center. While Daikanyama, Forestgate, and Tokyu Plaza injecting various greenery elements into the public spaces, Azabudai Hills takes it a step further. Its architecture creates an organic fusion with the topography and landscape. Also, the developer and designer have incorporated the vast open green spaces that foster the community, creating an urban oasis in the heart of Tokyo. These projects redefine the purpose of retail complexes, transforming them from mere places for shopping, dining, and social gatherings into spaces that benefit the neighborhood and evolve alongside with the society. They serve as places where people can inhabit and grow. This could signal a trend in mixed-use developments that other cities can reference. They're not just building spaces, but building better urban futures which contribute to the society. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.